I know you just get a fucking next man on the floor last month.
Wait, you drove me to that by disrespecting me with your whores and fathering their children.
Yeah. Blame me, eh? Just because me give you bun, you have to give me back bun. What the song say? Eh? Take man pan him and bun him.
Are you finished? You need help.
Yeah? How can you do this to me? How can you say you love me and turn around and bun me?
An accident.
Accident, take your backside out of the house, yeah?
I've nowhere else to go.
Out!
Well, look at us. Is this what we've come to now? We're like animals attacking each other.
Hey, look, me is not a professor, I know. But deep down in every man's psyche is in need to procreate, spread him seed, to impregnate as many women as him can get, here. Look, that is in our genes, and we have no control over that.
Rubbish. There are good, decent men out there who love and respect their wives or girlfriends.
Then, baby, why you not gonna find one? Hey, you can't stay and fool yourself, you know. But the Bible say, Abraham begotten Isaac, Isaac begotten Jacob, Jacob begotten Judas, Judas begotten Esau, Cain and Abel, and so on and so on and so forth. Yeah? A whole heap of begotten was taking place way back when, and a whole heap of begotten that take place right now. Yeah? So me want my share the begotten too. Where you go? Stay and listen to me, man, and you started. Yeah? You see you come in just like a cat. Yeah? Hey, tell me, you ever see two cats fucking yet? Huh?
The word is copulating.
I know it as fucking. Yeah? No, you never see them. You call us dogs. But a dog you can train. Yeah? You can train a dog to steer and him steer. But a cat, never. As soon as you turn your back, him thief your fish, your chicken, your deer, you name it. Yeah? You hear me? Us dogs, you can always catch us fucking. But you don't know if you hide and sneak and thief, just like a cat.
The woman you know perhaps, but I am not like that.
You too, Portia. The whole of you. Look at them. Thief, the lot of them. Watch them. Thief.
You know, you just want to have your cake and eat it.
So what's wrong with that? Am I a cake?
I have tried to make you happy. I even listened to my mother's stupid advice that the way to keep a man was to have sex with him as many times as possible, so that he wouldn't have strength for anyone else.
Well, I can't tell you, that never worked.
Well, I know that now.
You expect me, T-Unit, to dip on the same pussy every night? Eh? Baby, not even chicken me night 2 nights straight. Eh? Hey, what about a change?
Do I ask for a change?
Well, you know an alternative but to take the anaconda.
No. To make our sex life better, I do the most unbelievable things.
Like what? Like what you do?
Me even go upon me head top and fling it up and give you. Yeah, man. That's true, yeah. Hey, the one time you did, it wasn't bad at all.
Yo, I swear, the boss lost for word in the middle of the play. She got him off guard, man. Me I tell us, yo, the switch up her accent took me off guard, too, man. If me never know I came out and drop and roll, I swear. Oh my God, the boss forget in line. Ah, that was fun, but for real. If you can't take bun, don't give bun. And if you can't hide when you give bun, don't give it. Because somebody gonna get hurt if you're supposed to find out. I'm not saying to do it, but if you're gonna do it, be careful, don't get caught. And this is a bonus clip. And this is the stepdaddy who say, yo, me nah step up. Step kids ain't my kids. If any stepping a go on, you a step outside of this relationship. This serious. Anyway, watch and enjoy.
Honey, can I ask you a question? It's about the children. I want them to come and live with us.
No, they are not my responsibility.
But you're them stepfather.
Step your claw through my door.
But after them own a father don't want to look after them.
And you expect me to, is that fair? Eh? Is that answer me?
No.
I didn't hear you.
I said no.
So why the backside you pressuring me to look after another man's sperm? Eh? Why?
Well, how you have to take the calf to dog?
Ah, baby, you're not ready.
So what am I supposed to do?
What you ask me for? I mean, breed you? I mean, breed you? Eh? What? Hey, keep out of this, it don't concern you.
How you expect me to feel, eh? How you expect me to feel? Every day you walk up and down with your children and picture in your pocket. How you expect me to feel?
I don't give a backside how you want to feel. I'm married, pick to them. Me walk with them if I want to. I can't walk with them, picture them frame a whole album if I want to. That's not for me them.
No, the last clip not related to no bun business, but I just had to add it in. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Much love, much respect. Bless.